Want your home to smell fresh and inviting all day long? Here are 3 simple and effective tips to make your space smell amazing, effortlessly. First, ditch the chemical sprays and go natural. Fill a small jar with water, citrus slices, and herbs like rosemary or mint. Place it in your living room or kitchen for a refreshing scent, or use an essential oil diffuser. Add a few drops of lavender, lemon, or eucalyptus oil to keep your home smelling like a spa. Good airflow is key. Open your windows daily to let in fresh air and keep stale odors away. Ceiling fans or air purifiers can also work wonders. Don't forget to replace your air filters regularly for maximum freshness. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets and furniture, then vacuum after 15 minutes to eliminate trapped odors. Use natural odor absorbers like coffee grounds or activated charcoal to neutralize smells, especially in closed spaces. With these simple tips, your home will smell fresh and welcoming all day long. Try them out and let us know your favorite.